Every morning, 10 to 20 turkeys in our front yard. They don't like me. See how close we can get. These buggers. I'm a turkey herder this morning. Alright, so we got some snow. And we have to try to start this thing. You're gonna get a cold start video. I know they're old and diesels don't really start good, but this one is halfway entertaining. Just look at the beautiful wet snowfall. 2388 is melting off. You can hear the grain bins melting off. Water's dripping down the side and to the bottom. But let's get to work. Let's get this thing fired up. So I think that was the fastest cold start we've ever done. Usually this thing just chugs and chugs and chugs. Hop up in the cab and tell you what we're doing today. Okay, so we got a call early this morning. We're having a trucker show up to take some wheat that we're selling. We're going to use this tractor to help if he gets stuck, because as you can see, lots of icy snow. Alright, let's get to work. We're here at our other site where we have some grain stored. This is all hard white wheat that is organic. And the truck that said he was going to be here at 9 o'clock is obviously not here. Whew, it's bright. My battery is low, so stay tuned. We'll get some more video of when that truck shows up and how we load our wheat. So just walking over here to the grain bin. This is B3, what we call B3. Boulder 3, B is for boulder. Got the tractor here, auger that comes out. Call this the floor auger. It runs off of a hydraulic motor that is run by the tractor. We just pull a lever inside and this starts to rotate. Engage the PTO on the tractor. The grain goes up the auger into the truck. That's how we load grain in about 30 seconds. Nothing too special. New on the channel, not new to us by any stretch, is this John Deere 4020. It's the only John Deere tractor that we own. And my grandpa bought it brand new in 68 or 69, somewhere in there. And it's been on our farm ever since. So we're keeping it alive. It has close to 10,500 hours. Hour meter is rolled over. Engine's been rebuilt. We did that when I was like 14 or 15. And it's been running great since. Well, it's been running great the whole time, but you know, it runs better with a rebuilt motor. Everybody knows that. I'll look up in the cab. No fan. At least not anymore. Let's see if I can give you a shot of the hour meter. Alright, so the truck finally showed up. I did a bunch of scraping and widening of our driveways with the tractor. This is how it works. This is a weird trailer. We haven't loaded one of these before. Dad got the 40/20 going. Trucker is loaded up and he's getting ready to go. Easy. All that work, and we just did it easy. Get out of the way, Dad. Okay, we're doing an exhaust system on this little Jeep YJ, and it has been put back together multiple times, so it's pretty beat. And I made a mistake last night of holding on that little flange before putting this on. Alright, so I'm gonna chop that little flange off and go ahead and weld it. We're gonna put you on a time lapse. You'll see it when it's done. Say hi, Dad.
Hello there. Right there. Hi. So, you need to go in and do the
Back stop. Okay, after that mess of a whoops, I also forgot to put the flange on. I'm gonna put this patch on up in there. Now, the welds on this are just quick and dirty. You kind of get the point. So what we have left is to weld up that bracket. Figure out what we're gonna do with these brackets and the tailpipe. Let's go ahead and fire up and see if we've got leaks up at the flange. y'all liked this video, liked a little bit of Jeep content that we had going, even though it wasn't overly exciting. Go ahead and give this video a like and a subscribe, and see you next time.